Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about transformation of sentences, interchange of positive, comparative and superlative. In this video, you will get the complete explanation. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's learn how to interchange the sentences. One positive sentence can be changed into comparative and superlative. One comparative sentence can be changed into positive and superlative. And one superlative sentence also can be changed into positive and comparative. Let's see how to change. This is the most beautiful building in our town. This is the most beautiful. Okay. As it is the most beautiful, it is a superlative degree. We have to change the sentence into comparative and positive without changing its meaning. This is the most beautiful building in our town. At first I am saying how to change the sentence into comparative. Superlative, it is in superlative degree, we have to change the sentence into comparative. Start from the beginning. What is written? The same thing. This is the most beautiful, it's a comparative degree. What is more beautiful? More beautiful. Okay. This is more beautiful, and when in comparative degree we use than. Write than. This is more beautiful than any other. Add any other. Okay. Any other building in our town. What is written? The same thing you copy. After any other, what is written? The same thing you have to copy. Building in our town. What it became? This is more beautiful than any other building in our town. So what you did? The same thing you copied. What is written? The same thing. It is in superlative degree. We changed it into comparative degree. In comparative degree, it is common you use than, then you add any other. This is the technique. But what is written, you copy those. Okay. This is more beautiful than any other building in our town. Okay. Next sentence. Ramesh is the strongest man in the village. The same thing, you copy the first thing. Ramesh is the strongest is superlative degree. You change the sentence, change it into comparative. What will be? Stronger. Ramesh is stronger. What you add? Than. Then another thing, any other. Okay, than any other. Stronger than any other. Okay, than any other will be added. You change it into comparative. Then you add than any other. Man in the village. Man in the village. You copy it. Right? Ramesh is stronger than any other man in the village. Next sentence. Kolkata is the largest city in India. Kolkata. The same thing you have to write. Kolkata is the largest. Will be what? Larger. Larger. We add than any other. In comparative degree, we have to add than any other. What is written? The same thing you copy. City in India. Okay. Mohan is the best student in our college. Mohan is the best, better, comparative degree, better, good, better, best. So better, add than any other. In comparative degree, we add what? Than any other. Change the superlative degree into comparative, add than any other. Any other what? Student. any other student in our college. Okay, we changed the sentences from superlative to comparative. Let's see how to change the sentences into positive. Okay, this is the most beautiful building in our town. Maybe it is given this is more beautiful than any other building in our town. What sentence may be given? We changing what? Positive degree. When you changing the sentence into positive degree, you start from no other. No other. Okay. No other what? No other building in our town. No other building in our town. Okay, no other building in our town is what? Is it's positive degree. The most beautiful is superlative degree. More beautiful is comparative degree. We have to write it in the positive degree. Okay, what is the positive degree of most beautiful? The most beautiful, more beautiful. So no other building in our town is as beautiful as. Okay, as beautiful as this. This is the subject. You write that. Okay, no other building in our town is as beautiful as this. Ramesh is stronger than any other man in the village. Ramesh is the strongest man in the village. You change the sentence into positive. So from where you have to start? From which phrase you have to start? No other. Right? No other what? Man. No other man in the village. No other man in the village is so strong. So strong as Ramesh. Okay, so strong as Ramesh. So what you use? When you change the sentence into positive, we use no other, also as, so as. Okay, as, so as. Kolkata is the larger than any other city in India. Kolkata is the largest city in India. We have to change the sentence into positive. So start from no other. No other city in India. No other city in India. Okay. No other city in India is as large as Kolkata. So what phrase I use? As. Mohan is the best student in our college. Mohan is better than any other student in our college. Change the sentence into positive. So what will be? No other. No other. We have to start from no other. No other student in our college. No other student in our college. Okay. Is the best. Superlative degree. It's positive degree. Good. It's as good as. Okay. Which phrase? As. As good as Mohan. Right? Let's state ourselves. Change the sentences as per instruction. Switzerland is the most beautiful country in the world. It is in superlative as the most beautiful is written here. We have to use more beautiful. More beautiful means comparative degree. So what I told, when you changing to comparative or to superlative, don't change the subject. So what is there? Switzerland. Switzerland is, replace more beautiful. Okay, more beautiful. Where you writing more beautiful comparative degree, we have to add then any other. Okay, more beautiful than any other country in the world. Right? Rani is better than any other girl. Here it is in comparative degree. Use the best means superlative. What I told, don't change the subject. Rani is the best. Rani is the best what? Girl. Okay. Rani is better than any other girl. Rani is the best girl. Next question. Iron is heavier than any other metal. Use the heaviest, superlative degree. It is in comparative degree. We have to write it in superlative degree. This question is for you. Write and put it into the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.